walking out to my door with a tear in your eyes. Well, you want it first. You are the first lady I've ever told goodbye. I wish you were the last. Just like a boy on his first day of school, I get so scared of you. I'm so confused, 'cause I'm so in love with you. I don't know what to do.